Hey guys, Will here. So just back on the DAX today, and in this video, I'm going to walk you through the mechanical rules behind my price reversion trading edge. Now, I know that many of you have spoken to my coaching team, and you've actually learned this edge. And if you have, firstly, good on you for investing in yourself and in becoming a profitable trader. And secondly, as always, you will be taking this exact same trade with me today because, again, I mean, as you all know by now, when you've learned the mechanical rules behind any of my 4 edges, we all take the exact same trades. Okay, there's no discretion, there's no emotion, no guessing and kind of hoping that your trades work. And there's also no, having some kind of trading guru, educator trying to say to you, oh, well, no, I decided to get in here instead because of some kind of nonsense excuse. There's none of that. If you have the rules behind this specific edge, the price reversion edge, then you see the exact same entry trigger that I see, and you take the exact same trade that I'm about to take here today, right down to literally the exact price where we both get in and we both get out. So yeah, you will have the exact same stop loss, exact same target, everything. And that's how trading should be, shouldn't it really? Exact, precise, consistent, repeatable. And that is what trading a mechanical edge is actually like. See, there's not a single line on my chart here, is there? There's not a single indicator either. A mechanical rule-based edge is literally just based on raw price only and specific entry triggers within the markets. In fact, that's what we're actually waiting on right now. So write this down, guys. Rule number 1 of this edge is to await our entry trigger. And I can see that is actually forming as we speak. Okay, so we'll just give this another few minutes just to actually confirm itself. And if this specific 5-minute candle does close up, it closes grey, at this exact time of the day, pointing towards our target price, which that's actually set by rule number 4, then that will tell us to buy the market with, again, an exact specified stop loss based on rule number 2 of this edge, which is to put a stop loss 1 point plus spread below the black candle that we can just see here. Then rule number 3 is to place a target based on the information in our Platinum program, which we'll do together in just a second. And then when that's done, we just walk away. Okay. When we followed the rules and the trade is taken, there is nothing else to do. No worrying, no stressing, no moving your stop loss or your target around based on greed or fear. No emotion, nothing. Just take the trade, walk away, go and catch up on whatever Netflix series you're currently watching, right? And then from there, the edge that the strategy provides does the rest. And by the way, if you don't know what an edge is, basically it means that based on statistics, we actually know for a mathematical fact that our trades will win more money than they lose. Okay, and it's a sigh of relief, isn't it? Because imagine knowing for a fact that your trades will win. Imagine taking a trade and actually knowing the exact long-term win rate that you are statistically guaranteed to have. Imagine taking a trade and thinking, look, I know for a fact I'm either going to take a small loss or a large win. And over time, I will win more than I lose because of that, right? See, you can kind of see the peace of mind that comes from trading a mechanical edge like this, can't you? And just following the rules every day and pulling money out of the markets this easily. See, this is why mechanical trading is the best way, the safest way, the easiest way to predictably pull money out of the markets and actually earn a living as a trader. Anyway, so I can see there's about a minute left now before this entry trigger actually confirms itself more or less. So it's looking like, based on rule number 1, that we're actually going to be told to buy here in a second. So we're just waiting for this candle to close. Let me just get my deal ticket sorted so that I'm ready. I've already got this partially filled out, by the way, here on my other screen. Yeah, there we go. Right, so great. So that is the trade taken. Now we need to follow rule number 2 and place our stop loss again. So 1 point plus spread below the black candle here at the bottom. Let me just nudge that down so that it's in the right place. There we go. Yep. And now finally we need to follow rule number 3 and just place our target where we're told to by the edge itself. That's not right. Give me a sec. My deal ticket's been nudged down. Let me position it dead on the price where the rules tell us that that should be. There we go. Easy as that. And that's us done. So from here, we literally just walk away. All right. There's nothing else to do but just let our edge kind of do the rest. Okay. So I'll pause this here for now, guys. I do actually need to go and have breakfast or I'm going to starve. So let me go and eat and I'll come back to you in about 20 minutes or so. Back soon. Right, guys, just back. Full English breakfast, very quickly eaten there. First coffee of the day drank, and yeah, I can see that. We're fast headed towards target now, which is great. We're up by about £900 of profit so far. I think it's about $1,200 or something like that. But we're not quite at target yet. And as you guys can see, prices just started pulling back a little bit. So let me kind of ask you guys that are watching this right now, and you can put your answer in the comment section, but how many of you have seen some kind of trade like this in the past? It's started to pull back on you and you've got emotional, you've started worrying, and you've maybe closed the win and just snatched at it before it's got to target for the full win that you actually intended on letting price get to. Or maybe let me ask it a different way. So how many of you have ever done that? So snatched at a win because of emotion, and then price has actually gone on to target. Okay, and it's got to where you intended, and you've missed out on, you know, $200, $300, $400, $500, and then you kick yourself, right? Be honest and put your answer in the comment section below. Because look, I used to do this when I was not profitable. You know, back in my early days as a trader, you know, before I was trading mechanically and I was trying to use all the technical analysis nonsense, indicator rubbish that's kind of sold to traders. But it happens to us all. And this is where most traders get shaken out, they get flustered, they start panicking, and they get emotional. That's the problem, emotion. And that is precisely what a mechanical edge removes. So you don't forget, we are actually done here with this trade. We've got a stop loss, we've got a profit target, and we've got a statistical edge. So the probability of us hitting target over the long term is proven mathematically to happen. So we don't need emotion because we've actually got peace of mind. So whilst a lot of traders out there would self-sabotage here, we don't. I just wanted to share that with you guys to add some value, because look, this could be a win, it could be a loss. But over the long term, we know because we have a statistical edge, we will make more money than we lose. Follow the rules, be patient. That's the job of a professional trader, guys. Anyway, I'm going to get back to, I'm going to start reading a book actually, whilst I just sit and wait for this to either turn around or get to target. Have one more coffee and just let this play out for now. So again, I'll pause this and I'll come back to you guys shortly. Okay, so just back, and we are hovering around the target now. We're very, very, very close. We're almost, oh no, well, there we go. Right, so great. Well, that's target hit, and that is, I can see here, it's £1,251 and 88 pence added to the bank balance. And I think it's about $1,500 or something close to that. Easy as that, guys. So again, no indicators, no analysis, no reading the charts. Come in, follow the rules, walk away. That is how easy trading using a mechanical edge is. And by the way, if any of you do want to learn these rules so that you can trade this for yourself, what I'm going to do, I'm going to put a link in the description of this video. You can click on that and you can come and join me and spend an hour with me on one of my next mechanical trading masterclass streams, where we get on a call together and I just reveal everything about these strategies, how the rules work, how I built them. I walk you through trades rule by rule, a few different ones. I show you the results that other clients have achieved and all of that stuff. So if you do want to learn the rules, click the link that's at the top of the description right now. Click it, book in a slot on one of the next masterclass sessions. And again, if you have any questions,